What's up, guys? We back with another one. Silverado crew cab all the way from Española, I believe. Lifted. This thing's badass on 37s. It's got some 26 by 14s. We're gonna be doing a panoramic install. Primer roof with charcoal gray suede. This is gonna be badass. Truck is badass. I'll show you the truck, show you the panoramic, and we'll start our process. Here's a panoramic we're going to be going with. It's a top slider, so it pops up and then slides on top to the back. Lifted crew cab Silverado. 26 by 14s. Damn. See, when I got my rims, I was thinking about going 14s, but then I heard about the ball joints and all that stuff going out quicker. So I went with 12s, 26 by 12s, but the 14s look badass. Here's the inside, charcoal gray. We're gonna be going with the charcoal gray suede to match the seats and the plastics, which is gonna be good. We'll paint his plastics and handles and all that like the usual. Badass truck. All right, guys, we got the panoramic install. Body work is done on top. Got the hose drains powered up. Everything's good. Check it out. We're gonna get the headliner started. Got the drains, and these windows are tinted, but you can see they're a little purple. So my customer's gonna end up taking that off and re-tinted it, make it look real good. This one does not have a sunshade, but looking good. Now we gotta get all this removed, back to this, and then we'll put the charcoal suede headliner. All right, guys, we got the headliner done, wrapped in charcoal gray suede. Time to install it. All right, guys, we're back with the install on the Silverado diesel. We had some bad luck on this panoramic that I just installed. I did the body work on top, had everything good last night. We did the headliner, which came out clean. All I had to do is put the headliner in, put all the plastics on, and wrap the headliner around the panoramic, and it would have been done. But we had a big fail. The panoramic failed on me this morning. It jammed up opening it. I always like to open and close them just to make sure they're good. It jammed up. It messed up the wire, the cable from the inside. The cable came out, which sucks because I don't have a replacement for this panoramic. So that means I need to rip out all the bodywork that I just did yesterday, Saturday. Today's Sunday, and which sucks. I've had this happen before, but I've had extra panoramics. So I just had to do is just swap it out and put the other one in. But since I don't have an extra panoramic on this exact panoramic, it sucks because I got to redo everything. So yesterday was pretty much for nothing till this morning. Jammed up. I'll show it to you where it jammed up. The wire came out. So this customer is going to get an upgrade at no extra cost here at Rob's Customs. The other one did not have a sunshade, and the one I'm going to give him now, after I replace and redo the roof, he's going to be getting a Chrysler 300 panoramic with the working sunshade, so he gets that as a bonus. And here's the sunroof, and it's a lot wider. The other one's about a couple inches longer, but this one's a lot wider, so it's going to fill in the roof a little better. So this is pretty much a fail on that panoramic there. He is going to get a Chrysler 300 roof. It's got a shade. Everything works good on this one. Here's the panoramic. Just ripped it out, and actually broke when it was open too. You can see the cable there. Damn cable came out. and then jam the motor up. Everything is jacked, so this is all trash. So now I know to stay away from these. Here's the hole. Like I said, bodywork's done. I gotta grind it all down, take the welds off, take everything off, and reinstall the new bracket, which is right here. So enough said. I need to get to work on this. I'm gonna try to have it done to the customer today. I still need to call him, let him know that we had an issue with it, so he's gonna have to wait a little bit longer. I'm gonna try to knock it out today so he can pick it up later on this evening, but we'll see. All right guys, here's everything I pulled out from the truck. There's the old skin, had to cut extra for this newer one. It's a lot wider, but yeah, this sucks. All right guys, we got the Panoramic Install bodywork done. New one's in, Chrysler 300. Panoramic with the working shade. This thing looks badass. Now we're gonna install the headliner, start cutting it out. For the wrapping around the base of it, I do have the base. I have the base for the Chrysler, so I'll end up wrapping the headliner to here, to this factory here. That way it gives it an OEM look, and it's gonna look badass. All right guys, install's done. Finally, after redoing it one time to swap it out for the new Panoramic, since the other one failed on me. Came out badass. Let's check it out.
Perfect.